Welcome to the Northwest District's tutorial on articles, hubs, and categories. Our website is built using MediaWiki, which is the same software platform that the Wikipedia website is built with, which allows us to have a very collaborative and dynamic website. To start, the most basic aspect of this website is what we would call an article, and we can see it right here. We're on our home page. We click on Ideal Year of Scouting and it takes us to a page. This is an article. It's just some information that's kept under a specific topic. Now, articles can become very complex. So let's say we looked up 2011 Klondike Derby in our search bar. This is also an article. Although it's very complex, it has the same structure. It's kept topically under a single page, and it's got information, links to things, and so on. But it's all just one page, otherwise known as an article. This brings up the difference between an article and a hub. Our home page is a hub. In other words, all these different links are articles that are coordinated around some specific topic. Our home page is designed to give our users the most up-to-date information about specific events or announcements or some sort of important thing that's going on in our district. All the hubs are over here in the left-hand navigation bar. And for instance, our news page has all the different things from National Council, their Twitter feeds, and we've got a couple of RSS feeds down here. The resources pages, this hub shows information on scouting, notebooks and newsletters for units, from the month-to-month newsletters we might have, or the unit notebooks. There's a page, there's an article page for links to different documents, and then eventually we'll have our roundtable information, both for Boy Scouts and Cub Scouts, available through this hub. This is a work in progress, so these things are not yet complete. The Community Hub has information on the district organizational chart. We'll have information for specific local units, our camps, both in council and out, different multimedia so that people can share videos and pictures, and last but not least, if we have local sponsors or benefactors, we'd love to talk about them. And this brings up the third part of this website, which is the categories. Categories allow us to coordinate different articles based on their topics. So we have things that the hubs we might be putting specific or general information about, and categories allow us to give more exhaustive lists of these different pages that share those topics. For instance, we have a category called finance that shows 3 different pages or articles. These are all the different categories that we have here on our site. Let's pick the units one. So these are all the different the category contains all the different articles that fall within that category. So let's pick the crew here, and we can see that it's part of this category by this bar at the bottom. So what that does is it allows us to kind of differentiate. An article can have more than one category. For instance, this crew could say it could belong to the category units. It could also belong to venturing crews if there's a category for that. there could be a variety of different categories that would apply to this specific article. So it just allows us to search or make the connections between articles that much more dynamic. So in a nutshell, we have articles, hubs, and categories which allow us to create structure and interact with information on our website.